that specific planet. Below or page number 21, below is a quiz and you have to solve that on your own. Page number 22. Using maps and globes to gather information. How can we use maps and globes to gather information? Let's explore our geographical change in Pakistan using maps and globes. One notable example is in the formation of Manchar Lake. All of you must have visited Manchar Lake, which is present in Sindh province of Pakistan. It is the largest freshwater lake in Pakistan. It is an interesting landform to study because it has experienced significant changes over time. Like I have taught you changes about sea level, same is the case with Manchar Lake. First of all, Manchar Lake was less in size, and after that, due to certain changes, climate change and many other changes, the Manchar Lake size has been increased many more times. So this is the kind of thing that we observed due to maps and other types of scales. Using maps and globe, we can observe how the size of Manchar Lake has changed due to natural and human factors. In the past, the lake used to be smaller, like what I have told you earlier, and had a different shape. However, due to the construction of canals and irrigation systems, water from nearby rivers has diverted into the lake. What does that mean? That was the size of Manchar Lake before, and after the formation of canals, irrigation systems, the size of water from rivers of otherwise nearby areas have been increased. This has increased the size of Manchar Lake. Sorry. You can examine maps in different time periods to see the expansion of lake over the years. You can also observe that by using Google Lens or by using Google Maps. That is a precise way you can see the difference before and after the observation of Manchar Lake. It's interesting to note how human activities can impact the geography of a region. Additionally, it's important to understand that geographical changes can also occur due to natural processes like erosion, sedimentation, and climate change. What does that mean? It means that erosion, that is, the lake gets eroded, and the sedimentation, the dust and debris and the sand become sediment at the lowest part of that lake and increase the size of that, increase the capacity of that, and other types of climate change. By studying maps and globes, you can track the changes in landforms and better understand the dynamic nature of our planet. Next, there are some modern techniques that we use in this branch. Modern techniques in geography include GIS, Geographic Information System, GPS, Global Positioning System, and Google Maps. All of you must have used GPS in your life. Like when you are going somewhere, you put your location in Yango, in Uber, in Drive. So when you put your location, it means that you are using GPS. Geographic Information System, GIS. GIS is the computer system used to capture, store, analyze and display geographical data. A computer system in which we can first of all we can capture, like we take pictures and then we store it in our device and then we analyze that how it works and then we display geographic data on our computer memory. This can be used to the data we have gathered, data we have observed, data we have analyzed. Now this data can be used in creating maps, identifying patterns and trends in data, and make decisions based on spatial information. For example, city planners might use GIS to decide where to build new roads or parks. Understand? Now, global positioning system. GPS is a navigation system that uses satellite to determine your exact location on the earth. Like I have told you earlier, when you send your location to anyone, to your friends, to your partners, or to drivers, it means that you are using GPS. This is useful for finding the way around, tracking objects or people, and mapping out new areas. Next, Google Maps. Google Maps is a web-based mapping service that allows you to view maps, satellite imagery, and street level photos of almost any location in the world. All of you must have Google Maps to find out the exact location of anything. Like you are going to a restaurant and you want to know that how much it is distant from your house. Then you can add that name in your Google Map, and you can see how it is looking and how distant it is from your home and many other things. So by using Google Maps, you can identify these things multiple times. This can be used to get directions. Now, how you can go there, explore new places, and even measure the distance between 2 points. Like if I am going to somewhere, like I have to go to a restaurant or shopping mall, and I have to find how distant it is from my house. Then I have to put my location and that place location. Then I can identify the different distance between the 2 points. For example, you might use Google Maps to find a restaurant in a new city or a Bangalore trip across the country. Open page number 24. This is interesting facts. The Great Barrier Reef located off the coast of Australia. This is a reef that is located in Australia. Is the world's largest coral reef system. What are coral reefs? Coral reefs are actually the beautiful association that we found in ocean's bed, and there are living creatures of God. It covers over 133,000 square miles and is home to thousands of species of marine. It means that it covers huge area and many marine life reside on them to live in that specific place. Explore your world looking at it though. Did you know that the world's largest desert is the Sahara Desert in Africa? Desert is the barren place, you must know. And the world's largest desert is Sahara Desert that is placed in Africa. It covers over 3.6 million square miles. That's bigger than the entire United States. We all must have seen that United States is a very large country. But the Sahara Desert is even more larger than that. GPS is used not only for navigation but also for tracking wildlife, monitoring weather patterns, and even studying earthquakes. So, this is our today's lecture. Hope you